Alright folks, quick diagnosis and repair. Got a four-wheeler here. Hit the start button. All you hear is that going off. So we know there's power to here. We know the battery's good. We can see we're getting power to this side. No power on this side. Let me hit the button. Nothing. Easy diagnosis. This is bad. Let's replace it. To go a step further and prove it's bad, and it's not a starter, there it is. She's a runner. All the wires are good. Starter's good. Battery's good. The new solenoid's installed. I had to put some new connectors on there. Now let's see what's going on. Turn it on, hit the button. There we go. All set. Thanks for watching.